Hi, I'm Nicole and I'm going to show you today about how to change wax guards or wax filters on a receiver in the canal or RIC style hearing aid. If your hearing aid looks something like this and has a little wire that comes down into your ear canal with a little rubber dome at the end, this is how you'll change your wax guard. So these are called Saru Stop, and yours, if they are Saru Stop, may come in a little box like this. So you want to open that up. Open them up, pull out the little stick. You'll have an empty black tip on one end and a new white tip on the other end. First, what we want to do is take off the little rubber dome. So what I like to do is put my pointer finger on top and my thumbnail up and under and peel it off like that. Then we take the empty black tip, place that in the old wax guard, just push it straight in, pull it out, flip it around, and the new wax guard goes in. Once you're done with this stick, then you can dispose of it. So then to place your dome back on, and your dome may look like this, it may not have any holes in it, it may be a slightly different shape, but most of the time you will find a little hole in the middle. So you just take that and slide it on, take your finger and give it a little extra push. And then I like to pull up the side and just confirm that it's on the full way. If you're using Starkey hearing aids, you will be likely to use the Hear Clear. Opens the same way. These are on a yellow stick. It works the same way with an empty yellow tip on one end and a new white tip on the other. If you are using an Oticon hearing aid, the wax guards will be replaced in a very similar fashion, but the packaging of the wax guard is slightly different. Yours may come in a little black box or a little white box. So we'll open this up. And each of these little tabs hold a new wax guard. So what you would do is pull one out. You'll place the empty tip in the old wax guard, pull it out, and then place the new white tip in the receiver. There is a newer style of wax guard for the Phonak hearing aids. The Phonak Marvels, they require the Saru Shield disc. These will come in a little box, which we open like this. Follow the arrows and gently slide the top of the disc to open up a disposal port and a new wax guard. Place the receiver in the disposal port, which is labeled step 1 with a garbage can. Wait until it clicks. Pull it out. And you can see that the white tip is now in the first port and has been removed from the receiver. And to place a new wax guard in, you just go to step 2, wait until it clicks again, pull it out, and that's your new wax guard. One of our most frequently asked questions is how often you should change your wax guard. If you experience wax issues, you should replace the wax guard every 1 to 2 weeks. If you don't get much wax, every 3 to 4 weeks may work best for you. However, if you have poor sound quality or no sound at all from your hearing aid at any time, it's recommended that you replace the wax guard right away. You may need to change it more frequently if you find that this is happening more often. This may not be all of the wax guard options for receiver in the canal hearing aids, but they do cover a lot of bases for different manufacturers. If you do have questions about the one that you are using, you can ask your hearing care professional.